Oh, hello there. Welcome to Detailer. So this week I've been working on this very nice BMW M4. So the car's had a whole host of treatments and it's looking pretty sharp. It went through the usual safe wash decontamination, then it had 2-stage machine polish, ceramic coating, wheels have been refurbished, deep interior clean, and I'll show you what we did. At this point the car is cleaned, contaminated, the wheels are off, and these are going to go get refurbished. Basically the same, just a lot fresher. And then they'll come back and get ceramic coated. Alright, we'll have a quick look over the paintwork, and as you can see, behind there just to focus, but when you look at the light you can see it's quite scratched up, this car. Lots of swirls. So the front end's really stone chipped. It's got 76,000 miles, I think, 70 something thousand miles. So it's been well used, but well loved. Lots of swirling down the sides. Tons of the stuff. This is always quite a damaged spot on M4s because people use this bit, shut the door, doop, rather than the handle. Just push there. Again, more swirls. Maybe turn the light off, it might be easier to show you. Aha! There you go. So lots and lots of bad contact on this poor car. Lots of marring, lots of swirls. Then when you look around, see up on the corner here, it's quite hefty abrasion there, deep scratch here. Over the boot lid, you can see lots of things have been rested on it. Right, if I can get the angle right for the light. It's the scratches, carbon spoiler, it's pretty sturdy. And the rear bumper. Which funnily for a BMW doesn't seem to be the worst panel on the car. Behind the number plate looks pretty good, directly behind it, because the plate's been protecting it, and as soon as you get outside of it, not so good. Okay, along the driver's side there's a big scratch on the rear quarter panel. More big scratches here. And then, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but along here, sort of down here, the panel's all bumpy. So it's had a little knock. And the little paint protection film piece has been lifted on the corner. So I'll see if the owner wants that replaced, or I might trim it up for him. Again, more damagey bits. Lots and lots by the door handle here. Oh, it's a really hard colour to focus on for my poor little phone camera. Just don't forget, film all of this on my phone. Oh, I didn't notice this when I created it. It's a big cloudy patch of sanding marks, buffer trails, and you can see from the texture the door has been painted, so it gets a bit bobbly, where an unpainted panel isn't bobbly. And also the wings painted with some sanding marks in there. It's a nice surprise. Bumper doesn't look like it's been painted, but we'll see. So the car's going to have a 2-stage machine polish, so I'll get everything set up now for the cutting stage and get going. Okay, so the cutting stage is done. It's all been panel wiped, and now we're going to refine. Refine because even though it looks pretty good already, the swirls and things are gone. It's got a slight haze from the heavy cutting stage, so this stage removes that and really brings out all the gloss and clarity. The paintwork all refined, it's looking a lot sharper. And now, going to tackle the interior. And that brings us to the end of the M4. So thanks again for watching. If you've enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and see more of me mumbling along to videos of cars getting cleaned. I'll see you on the next one. Oh, and if you didn't notice, this car's a manual.
What?